Mastering public speaking. Keyword power for effective presentations. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll delve into a vital component of public speaking and presentations, using keywords and phrases in your notes and prompts. Remember, mastering this skill can significantly enhance your presentation delivery. Let's get started. Keywords and phrases are like beacons guiding you through your presentation. They act as reminders of the key points you want to communicate, helping you stay on track and ensuring your message is clear and concise. Selecting the right keywords and phrases requires some thought. Start by identifying the main points of your talk. Each of these points should have a keyword or a short phrase associated with it. Try to choose words that capture the essence of what you're trying to say. Once you've identified your keywords, it's time to structure your notes. Write your keywords in a logical order that follows your presentation's flow. Ensure they are visible and easy to spot. Remember, these are not full sentences, but prompts to trigger your memory of the topic. Now, it's time to practice. Use your keyword-based notes while rehearsing your presentation. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll be using these prompts, and the smoother your final presentation will be. Remember, even the best prepared speakers sometimes have to adapt. If you're interrupted or lose your train of thought, use your keywords to get back on track swiftly. They are your safety net and can help you manage unexpected situations with ease and confidence. And that's it, folks. Remember, the art of using keywords and phrases is a game changer in public speaking and presentations. I hope this video has been helpful in honing your skills. Practice and use these techniques in your next presentation, and see the difference they make. Until next time, happy presenting!